lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, today I have... I'm so excited. This is a Juvia's Place mystery box. Now, I didn't even know they were having mystery boxes till a couple of you had reached out to me and was like, did you know that Juvia's Place has a mystery box for $15? I was like, $15? And I love Juvia's Place. She is a fellow Jerseyan like myself, so I really do love Juvia's Place, and I love mystery boxes. So I went over there and I was shocked that there were still some available, but within an hour or two, it was sold out. So this just came today. I did cut it. I looked inside to see what's in here, but this is what I see right there. So when I looked on there to see, like, $15, maybe you don't get a lot. So you're supposed to get a makeup bag, a brush, and 10 single eyeshadows. And I was like, yes, definitely for $15. All right, so this is exactly how it came in the box. So this is a pretty good makeup bag. Like, I am shocked. And then on here it says Juvia's Place. This is like my favorite color. I love this color. It's like a teal color. And then you have the peach and like the teal color here. All right, so this is actually better than what I was supposed to get. Okay, so let me show you what I did receive. So the first thing is the makeup bag right here. And it's a really decent sized makeup bag. All right, the next thing I got is this brush here. So this looks like probably a highlighting brush. It doesn't say on here. Now it's a little crooked. And that's okay if your brushes come like that, because once you wash them, you can straighten them back out. So I'm not worried about that, but I would definitely use this for highlighter. I love Juvia's Place's brushes too. If you haven't tried their brushes, you definitely need to. I really like them. And so I'm definitely excited to get this. All right, so then you're supposed to get 10 single eyeshadows, which I did not. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 4 eyeshadows. So I got the eyeshadow Lala. This is like a shimmer shade. I'm not going to open any of these because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Then I have the shade Empress. This is like a purplish, brownish, like a dark purple color. Then this is Casablanca. This is another like bronzy shimmer shade. And then this is Ethiopia, and this is like a gorgeous color. This is like a orangey brick color, like a, I can't explain it. It's really, really pretty. It's one of my favorite colors. So we got that. But then we have a blush. So that's good. This is in the shade Serafina. So I have this blush. I'm going to go get it and show you what it looks like, because we're going to have a giveaway in this video. Then I got the Nubian palette. So this is one of the first palettes that they ever made. This is a neutral palette. I do have this, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway too. So everything that I received is going to go in the giveaway, even the makeup bag. Even though the makeup bag is really, really pretty and it's really big. Let me undo it and show you. So it's a decent size. It really, really is. All right, let me go get, if I can find my palette, because I did move and I don't have everything up yet. I'm going to see if I can locate that and the blush so I can show you what it looks like, what you will receive in the giveaway instead of opening up yours. So I'll be right back. All right, so I found mine. So this is the blush in Serafina right here. And there we go. That is the shade right there. You can see I've used it before. You do have a mirror. I think these sell for like $8. It's like a peachy color. Very pretty. Really pretty. Okay, so this is mine. This will be yours. And then this is yours. This is my palette. So this shade here was one of my favorites, and it broke. It was like, was a pinkish shimmer shade. Back in the day, I never wore color on my eyes, so that's what I would always go into. So it's like a neutral color palette. It's extremely beautiful. When I don't know what I want to use or I'm looking for a transition shade, this is the palette that I always go into. Love it so much. I really, really do. All right, so let me put mine over here. So let's recap again what I received and what is going to be in the giveaway. So you're going to get this makeup bag. I would actually really keep this myself, but I have so many. But this is really good, so if you are traveling or anything like that, anything spills, nothing will come out, or your makeup or foundation. Really, really pretty. All right, you will be receiving this palette right here. Put everything in there. You'll receive this blush. I am keeping the highlighting brush, so I'll keep that. And then the 4 shades. Now, the only thing is, since they did give me the neutral palette, it's like, I wish they would have gave me some colors instead of neutral eyeshadows as well. So you're just going to be double getting it. So that is everything that will be in today's giveaway. It's well worth the $15. And I knew I would probably have some duplicates since I have so much of Juvia's Place. All right, so the only thing you have to do, like always, you just have to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, because I love giving back to people that support me. You have to like this video because that really does help me out. YouTube, the more likes that I get, YouTube will promote this video. And you have to leave a comment, because I do a comment picker. So type in the word, just put in Juvia's Place. And then when I do my comment picker, I will put in that word Juvia's Place, and it will go through the comments. So yeah, that way I know that you watched the whole video. Now, don't just put Juvia's Place and enter me, because then people that aren't watching the video all the way through will see what you're writing and kind of copy it, and it wouldn't be fair to people like you that do watch this whole video. And I'll put on the screen when this giveaway will be over. I'm not going to have it go for like a whole month or anything, probably a week or 2. So that is everything. Yeah, let me know what you think. Have you tried Juvia's Place? Do you like Juvia's Place? Let me know in the comments down below. And that's everything. Also, let me know, do you think it was worth $15? I was shocked. And let me know if you knew if they had mystery boxes. It's like 20 questions, right? All right, guys, that is everything. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.